Hello dear students, hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Ali. I am going to teach you zoology. Today we are going to discuss about hormone classification based on biomolecular nature or chemical nature. Have you any idea of hormones? Have you ever heard about hormones? I hope you might be knowing what hormones are. Anyone? You have any idea? Okay, good. Hormones are low molecular weight, chemically heterogeneous, non-nutrient substances released by endocrine cells or glands, and they act as intercellular signal molecules. You see, these hormones, they are released by endocrine cells or endocrine glands into the blood, and blood transport these hormones to the target cell or the target tissue. Now, when these hormones are transported, they have certain information with them, and they deliver this information through cell receptors. Now, because these hormones are informational molecules, they are also known as chemical messengers. You know, these hormones are important because these hormones transmit information from one cell to another cell, from one tissue to another tissue. They are also responsible for regulation of biological activities, for the coordination of different biological activities. So they are important informational and signaling molecules. Now, dear students, hormones can be classified in many ways. They can be classified on the basis of solubility. They can be classified on the basis of mechanism of action, and they can be classified based on biomolecular nature. So we will see how they are classified on the basis of biomolecular nature. Based on biomolecular nature, hormones can be grouped into three categories. First is peptide or protein hormones. Another group is steroid hormones, and the third group is amino acid derived hormones. Now, look here. We will duplicate the information here so that you may easily understand it. Now we have three columns here. In the first column we will write the hormone nature. In the second column we will write the examples, and in the third column we will write some important features. See here, dear students, the first group is peptide or protein hormones. You know, these peptide or protein hormones are made of peptide chains. Now, look here, if the peptide chain is having amino acids ranging from 3 to 49, these hormones are called peptide hormones. Where, for examples, in this group, ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and we have oxytocin. However, if the amino acid range from 50 to 200 in number, then the hormone is called protein hormone. So obviously, it is large-sized peptide chain. Where, for examples, like growth hormone, we have insulin. They have some important features. You see, These peptide protein hormones, they are water soluble. They cannot cross the plasma membrane. They deliver their information through cell surface receptors, that is receptors present on the plasma membrane. Also, they act via second messenger like where cyclic AMP. Now we have second group, that is steroid hormones. What the hormones are? The hormones derived from cholesterol. We have important examples like sex hormones, including progesterone, testosterone, estrogen. We have aldosterone, we have cortisol. They also have their own features. They are liposoluble, they pass through plasma membrane, and they deliver their information via intracellular receptors, and the intracellular receptors can be cytoplasmic receptors or nuclear receptors. Now we have the third important group, that is amino acid derived hormones. As the name indicates, the hormones which are derived from certain amino acids like tyrosine, tryptophan, or we can also have histamine. You see here, we have few examples in this, like tyrosine derived hormones. We have epinephrine, it is also called adrenaline. We have norepinephrine, it is also called noradrenaline. We have dopamine, we have thyroxine, that's T4. We have triiodylhydrogen, that is T3. These all are tyrosine derived hormones. We have also histidine derived from histamine, and we have serotonin and melatonin derived from the amino acid tryptophan. Now they also have some interesting features. You see adrenaline and noradrenaline. Even if they are amino acid derived hormones, they behave like peptide hormones, like they are water soluble, and they deliver their information through cell surface receptors. Now moving to T3 and T4. These are also amino acid derived hormones, but they show interesting features like they behave like steroid hormones. They are lipid soluble and they act via nuclear receptors. Dear students, I hope you understand this topic well. Now, I would like to sum up today's lecture that hormones are chemical messengers. They are transported by blood after they are released from endocrine glands, and they deliver their information via receptors. And chemically, we have three groups of hormones: peptide or protein hormone, steroid hormones, and amino acid derived hormones. And you know, these hormones act as a signaling molecule. Now, I would like to ask you a question at last. This is a simple question, just a practice question. The question is, which amino acid derived hormone behaves like a steroid hormone? Option A, melatonin. Option B, serotonin. Option C, epinephrine. And option D, thyroxine. Anyone? You have any idea? Okay, good. D option, thyroxine. Nice. Dear students, I hope you understood today's topic well.